the importance and uses of art therapy with children. Now, what is art therapy? Art therapy is a visual psychotherapeutic approach used vastly with children for their holistic development. Art therapy is used in two ways: therapeutic art, wherein we are dealing with the child's coping mechanisms, teaching them gratitude skills, breaking their stereotypical or repetitive behaviors and play, and engaging them in stress relief activities. How do we use art as therapy, which is the second part? When we are doing art as therapy, we deal with the child's emotions, helping them to express, helping them with their sensory modulations, building their relationships and social interactions, helping them enhance their cognitive skills, working on their relationships and self esteem.